Hey there, how's it going today? Mark Dwayne here from markdwayne.com. Hope you're all staying safe. And this is my 7th video in my 30-day challenge. The 30-day challenge is where you do a video and a blog post every day for 30 days. And you do it on a specific topic. And the topic that I'm doing this 30-day challenge is on affiliate marketing. And this is my 7th video, and it's on affiliate marketing with CPA offers. Now, this is a rehashed video that I'd already done, and you can get access to the blog post in the description. I'm not sure where you're watching this at, but the blog post will be in the description. So anyway, let's go in and watch that video, and then I'll be back. Mark Dwayne here from markdwayne.com, and this is video 7 in my training series on affiliate marketing. And in this video, we're going to concentrate on CPA offers, or cost per action offers. Okay, in this section, we're going to talk about cost per action offers or CPA offers. So we know we got cost per action or CPA offers. We also have maxbounty.com, performcb.com, formerly known as ClickBooth, and we also have digitalmediasolutions.com. Okay, I'm not going to spend a whole lot of time in this training on CPA offers for some reasons that I'm going to explain now. So anyway, CPA networks, you must apply to the network and be approved to the network and the offers in the network. So you have to apply to the network and be approved to the network, and you have to apply to the individual offers in the network. Okay, it's very hard to get approved in these networks. Okay. The offers have a short offer life. Offers pay by the lead when an email opt-in form is filled out or a sale. They pay between $1 and $50 a lead. I know that sounds appealing. All they got to do is fill out an email form and you make $1 or $50, but it's not as easy as what it looks. Number one, it's a short offer life. Number two, you have to be approved. There's a lot of red tape you got to go through. I'm a member of Max Bounty. I was a member of ClickBooth, but they changed to this Perform CB. It's just the offer life is really short and it's hard to get approved. So I don't do a whole lot of promoting with these CPA networks. But anyway, that's how they work. And it sounds really easy. You just get them to fill out an opt-in form, but it's really hard to get approved, and it's really hard to get approved for the offers. And they got a short life. So what I mean is the offer may only be out there for 30 days. Okay? Then they take it down. So you're constantly changing around, and then you got to apply for a new offer, and it's not what they call evergreen. Evergreen means it's constantly there. Well, I know affiliate programs and stuff like that, they can take the program down or quit supporting it, but normally the product life is a lot longer than what it is in a CPA network. But anyway, that's it for this section. I'm not going to move much further in CPA networks or cost per action networks. Max Bounty is probably the best one. It's really hard to get approved. Okay, in this slide, I just wanted to kind of show you the behind the scenes, what a CPA offer looks like. And this is my personal account here. I don't do a whole lot with it. I've made some sales with it in the past, but like I said, it's really hard to get approved. You have to apply for the offers, and the life is really short. But I just wanted to show you kind of what kind of offers they have, because they are a little different. And I just wanted to show you. See, let's see if we can find one. Okay, this one pays $34 by the lead. LifeLock identity theft protection. We'll just take a look at it. And let's see if we can find the sales page. I don't know if I'm approved for this or not. I request approval to run. See? You have to request approval to run, and they tell you what's allowed: contextual, display, search, social, native, mobile ads, and then they say you can't use. You can't use email, you can't use incentives, and you can't use branding bidding. But anyway, here's where you request approval. Let's just see if we can see a sample of the sales page. Just see what it shows us. This is for LifeLock. This is just an example of what a CPA network is, in case you don't know really what I'm talking about. Yes, I agree. But what you got to do is get them to fill out an opt-in form or start a membership. This is not an opt-in form, so this ain't really what I was wanting to show you. But anyway, you just got to get them to buy this, and then you'll make whatever it says here. But first, you got to be approved, and sometimes it can be hard to get approved. So anyway, this pays $95 a lead. So anyway, we'll go back, take a look at another one, and let me see. Let's see this one here. This only pays $1.20 a lead. There's all the allowed traffic types, ones they don't allow. They do allow email, which is odd, but most of them don't allow email. We'll see, we'll preview the sales page. Now, you got to get them to fill all this information out. Okay, and sometimes they require two-step verification. They fill this out, and you get sometimes two-step verification, and you'll make $1.20. I know that sounds easy peasy, lemon squeezy, but it ain't as easy as where you think. So anyway, you can request approval if you think you can promote this. I've done some stuff with dog training in the past. It's asking me for two-step verifications because I don't have that set up. That's what that is. A lot of them are these weight loss offers, like this one here. Here's a stipulation, and most of them don't let you use email. You can't really offer bonuses, but this one pays. What's it pay? And there's a cap on how many actions you can have a day. There's a lot of different rules. This one here pays $1.90 per lead, or no, that's the EPC. Oh, it pays $100 a lead. This is what I was looking for. And anyway, I lost my internet, or it isn't cooking. This ain't working. Maybe it is here. I wanted to show you the sales page so you can see. Okay, what you got to do is get them to fill this out. Form out. And sometimes there's other stipulations. Like I said, you got to have what you call a two-step verification, or they have to go not just the first page to the second page and stuff like that. But there's a lot of rules in there, and you have to read the fine print. And I think it's up here. Say what it pays on: restrictions, no fraud. Obviously, offer completes on complete sale. So even though they filled that out, you don't get paid unless you get a complete sale. Now, some of them, all you got to do is fill this form out. And anyway, that's basically how they work. I just wanted to give you a little bit more in-depth look at them. Like I said, you can see zero sales. I mean, I've made sales in these, but it's not as easy as what you think. It's not evergreen. It's hard to get approved. I mean, I'm approved for Max Bounty, and a lot of people don't get approved for Max Bounty. So I just don't push it. So anyway, that's it for this section. Now we're going to move on into the next section. Okay, that was the video that I did on affiliate marketing with CPA offers. If you want to read the blog post, you can get access to it somewhere in the description. I'm not sure where you're watching this at, but there's a link in the description. I hope you learned something, and I'll see you tomorrow.